When I tell y'all I learned my lesson, I learned the lesson of not wearing anything when messing with this fertilizer. What is it? It's the, let me tell you, show you what it is. This is Fox Farm Big Bloom. It's really good. I really see a difference, but y'all, you drop that stuff on your finger, you drop it anywhere, talk about funky. Like, fooled me once. Okay, so got my little gloves on, and I'm gonna go down, and I release the plug, and you see all the water goes out, goes through, and all of my plants are getting fertilized. Isn't that cool? All right, so I'm gonna do all the plants here, and that's basically it for me today in gardening. Of course, I'll come out and take a look tomorrow. I may want some tea tomorrow, so I'll come out and get some mint, but it's a wrap. Have a great week, and talk to you soon.